Hi, my name is Michael Werner, Senior Technical Manager here at Toshiba Machine Company America. Standing here in front of our SX 85-ton high-precision all-electric injection molding machine. The cell that we're standing in front of is taking a concept to reality. We are molding an ABS molded product from an all-aluminum tool designed by Phoenix Proto Technologies. We have taken it one step further and that we have added 3D printed cavities that we're also molding from. This is interchangeable. We're using a Toshiba Machine integrated 6-axis robot to actually change the cavities out during the molding process. We have integrated our Toshiba Machine 6-axis vertically articulating robot beam mounted on top of the injection molding machine. This robot's task is not only to remove the finished product and present it to the conveyor behind the machine, but to also exchange and change out the 3D printed cavities. We've also added a UV printer by Mamaki to add a little bit extra decorating capabilities to that individual product. Thank you for visiting us here at Toshiba Machine Company America. Please make sure you check out all of our displays here in our booths, as well as our partners that made this possible. Thank you.